Hi friends, today I have a cool experiment for you. I have a cup of water and I'm going to add some oil to it. Now oil is less dense than water, which means the things that are in oil are not packed together as closely as they are in water. So it means oil is lighter than water. So dense means like here's a little forest and it has lots of trees, so it's more dense. A lot of trees are packed in there. But here's a forest that doesn't have a lot of trees, that's less dense. So we're talking about density, okay? So the things in water is more dense. That means whatever makes up water is all packed closer together than oil. All right, so let's see what happens when I add some oil to the water. All right, let's see if it mix together. No, it doesn't look like it mixes together because oil and water, they don't like to mix. So remember we said oil is lighter, so it's gonna stay up top. See that? So there's a little bit, there's a layer of oil on top. Okay, so now here comes our cool experiment. Now I'm going to add some food coloring so that it helps us see what's going on. So I'm gonna add a couple of drops of food coloring and see what happens. Boop, boop. All right, I just added a little bit. And see, it's just kind of stuck there in the oil. It's stuck there in the oil. All right, then I'm going to, I have salt. I have some salt here. So I'm gonna add a little bit of salt. What do you think's gonna happen when I add some salt? I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt on there. What do you think's gonna happen? All right, we're gonna see what happens when we sprinkle salt. Watch closely. Do you see anything happen yet? Look at that. What's going on? Ooh. What's happening? Did you see that? Look at that. So what's happening is that salt is actually denser, it's thicker, it's heavier than water and oil. So the salt goes to the bottom. And when it goes to the bottom, it's actually taking a little glob of oil with it. And it goes to the bottom. And then when the salt starts to dissolve, that means it starts kind of melting into the water, it lets go of the oil. And the oil's gonna go back up. So that's what's happening. Do you like our cool experiment? So if you wanna do that at home, you can get a glass of water, some oil, you can have a drop of food coloring in it, and some salt. So that is our experiment about density. Have a cool day. Love you.